guys, I am back with another unboxing. So you guys probably know that I love unboxing. So this time I have another Coach, and if you guys are planning to get anything from Coach, this is the perfect time. So the discounts are getting better every single day. So all you have to do is check the store or check the website. So let me show you what I got. So here it is. So let me open it. So here it is. Oh, look at that. So they wrap it. Okay, they put it in a dust bag this time. So let me show it to you guys. Uh-oh. Reveal the camera bag. Oh my goodness, the color. So this is a Lunar New Year camera bag with a horse and carriage. So actually, Coach released this bag in celebration of the 2020 year of the rat. So what's so special about this bag? Why did I purchase it? It's because on my previous unboxing, I did purchase a card holder, and I'm pretty sure this card holder would match on the cross body bag, because this material is actually made up of also with pebbled leather with the horse and carriage motif. And what's so special about this color, it is so bright red. And look at this detailed over here. Look at the detailed around. There were actually 3 stripes, and I think these 3 stripes are made up of velvet. I don't know what. Yeah, it's made up of like, I'm not sure, made up of like, it's very soft. It's like made up of velvet material. Yeah. So let's go back to the color. The color is so vibrant, and it has a horse in it. And as far as I remember, when I was younger, anything that has red in it, and look at that, the horse, the galloping horse, actually attracts. I mean, red is an auspicious colors. Okay, red is an auspicious colors that attracts good vibes, that attracts good health, that attracts good fortune. It attracts good luck, happiness. Well, it could probably, like, bring you a love life. I always believe in that. I always believe in that. That is just like my opinion, guys. So if you want to believe in that, that's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. The bag is actually made up of a coated canvas, with right here on this corner, it's made up of pebbled leather. Let me see the lining inside. Yes. Oh, the lining inside is made up of a microfiber lining. It's very, very soft. So let me just remove some of this stuffing so you'll be able to appreciate the bag even better. Okay. So here it is. This is how it looks like. Oh, look at the strap. The strap is so beautiful. And this one has a brass hardware. Look at the brass. This is one of my most favorite hardware of all time. Look at the strap. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at how beautiful this strap is. So you could wear this one in your shoulder or crossbody. And yes, it's adjustable. So you can definitely adjust the strap. This one is leather. Very nice. And this one is also, it's removable. So if you want to wear this one with a chain strap, you could do that as well. And I have several of those brass chain that would work perfectly for this. Definitely. So at the bottom, this is actually pebbled leather right here at the bottom. And let's open and see what's inside. Oh, I can already see now that the zipper. See, have you noticed those teeth? The zipper is made up of plastic. This one. So they chipping out a little bit with the zipper. So the teeth is made up of plastic. So yeah. So let's take a look at what's inside. So it has a large opening, very soft and flexible. So this one has this one has a one zip pocket. It has a zip pocket right there, and it has a microfiber lining inside. One zip pocket, and on the other side it has a pocket right here. And yeah, that's pretty much what's inside. Yeah, it's very, very soft and flexible. Oh wow. But I think this is the right here it says one slip pocket. So let me just put this. I have an iPhone XR here. Let me see if an iPhone XR fits at the back. So no, oh, it wouldn't. So the iPhone XR would not fit on the back pocket. So let me just try to put it inside the bag. Barely. Yeah, it could barely fit inside. You just have to like maneuver it. I think it fits. Yeah, it fits. It fits perfectly inside. Okay, as long as my iPhone fits inside, I'm fine with that. That's all that matters. So now let me show you how this bag looks at me. So I am 5'7". So let me show you. So this is how it looks like. Oh, it's so nice. It's so beautiful. I love the strap. So up close. Let me just use it on the shoulder. Yeah, it's a little bit long, but I can adjust it. But it's beautiful. It's so nice. So now let me try this one with a chain. So that's how it looks like. So let me just try this one on. Yeah, it looks good. So guys, if you're looking for a crossbody bag, this is the perfect size. Lovely, attractive color. And the quality of this bag is actually really good. Look at the stitching right at the bottom. Very straight. I like, this one, I like the detailing for that. That's nice. It's a nice addition. So the corner, so beautiful. This is the only leather right here at the bottom, and also in the side pocket right here. That's the leather. This is so cute. You know, I love the horse, and I also got the matching card holder that goes perfectly. Yeah, This is, I will probably gonna call this one a lucky bag. I'm pretty sure that this bag, if I'm gonna wear this bag, this would bring so much luck on me. Good fortune in my business, hopefully. So yeah, I love it. So yes, I would highly recommend this. This is perfect for summer. And if you are looking for something that is inexpensive, so this one retails at probably, I think it's $150. Originally it's $250, and I would recommend this. It's beautiful, guys. It is beautiful. I love it. And it's very spacious as well. For like, it looks so small and it's compact, but actually it has a lot. You could fit a lot inside. Like earlier I've shown that the phone would fit inside, definitely. Yeah, the iPhone XR would fit inside, no problem. Yeah, very soft and flexible. I just love it. Yeah, the color is unstoppable for this bag. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. And with the matching strap as well. Actually the strap is very well made, guys. It doesn't look cheap at all. The strap, very, very nice, very lovely. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. This is probably, I don't even remember, this is probably my 100th unboxing on Coach. Yeah, but I am actually loving Coach at the moment, guys. I mean, with the quality, with the price, and also I'm pretty sure that it's gonna last a long time. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I love it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next Coach unboxing. Bye.